Zuma in a pending corruption case. Hlophe denied the claims, but the findings of the gross misconduct was confirmed after a prolonged 16-year battle, culminating in Hlophe's historic impeachment in 2024. Hlophe sacrificed his position, his reputation, and his seat in the highest bench, all in all, in an alleged bid to aid Jacob Zuma. In the eyes of many political observers, Hlophe had earned a life debt from the former president, a belief that was seemingly paid when Jacob Zuma welcomed Hlophe into a high-ranking position within the Umkhonto Party to be his deputy leader of the MK Party and also the leader of the Umkhonto Party in parliament. That